Guam's legal community coming together.
Our theme is like safety for lawyers, safety for judges.
Chief Judge Francis Tedinko Gatewood speaking during the annual District Court of Guam and Biennial Pacific Judicial Council Conference in Tumon today. Asian Development Bank Executive Director Ambassador Chantel Wong returning to the island to highlight the economic challenges for the region, the discussion with island media, safety for those in the courtroom. U.S. Marshals Service Director Ronald Davis admitting the overturning of abortion rights is among several reasons officials have their guard up.
Just over the last few years, we've seen threats against the judiciary globally rise from anywhere from 1,500 to now we track over 4,500 threats on an annual basis against the judiciary. Clearly, we've seen increasing threats since the release of the Dow decision. We've actually seen overt actions towards assaults against the judiciary, but we're also seeing threats against government, against federal law enforcement, but also our judiciary.
None of us took this job because we wanted to win a popularity contest.
Ninth Circuit Judge M. Margaret McEwen of California expressing similar concerns.
Administrative Office of U.S. Courts as well as Federal Judges Association has really been indefatigable in enforcing the need for judicial security. We've had a number of tragic incidents.
McEwen recalling the 2020 deadly shooting on the federal judge Esther Salas' son at their New Jersey home, the attack injuring the judge's husband and killing her 20-year-old son Daniel Andrew. The deadly attack prompting legislation to scrub all online information of federal judges and their immediate family members.
It's difficult for judges to do their job when they're always looking over their shoulder with incidents of security. The other thing I might add is often the public imagines that our greatest security threats come from individuals who've been sentenced or individuals in the criminal justice system. So I think they would be surprised to know that many times it's a civil law case, a personal gripe or a lawsuit that brings someone to threaten and even take action against a judge.
It is very critical that we understand the evolving threats, not just the disgruntled plaintiff. It is now, we're looking at everything from extremism to, as you heard from FBI, domestic violence extremism is also posing a threat to the judiciary, so we must be prepared to respond to that.
The island's legal community will get a week filled with discussions that also include demystifying cryptocurrency, mental health in and out of the courtroom, and drug trafficking.